The course MAT477, I happened to teach it 3 times during my time here, is a mathematics seminar course. Within this course, students first attracted to some subjects, pick up a topic, and then give talks.
What we had next was this field sitting inside F.
I thought and think now that it is the most effective way of introducing students to mathematics.
Well, usually in a normal class, a student would learn from just by going to lecture, hearing the professor speak, okay, and then maybe also doing homework and reading the book. But here, there's no lectures, basically, or rather the students give the lectures. So for the most part, the learning takes place while the students are preparing their talks.
So I think the most interesting thing about this course is that because we're giving the talks, we have to prepare for it in a way that's different to every other course. So it's less focused on problem sets and listening to lecture, although there are those. It's more based on independent learning and reading for yourself, and then preparing the material in such a way that you can talk to other people about.
Students compete with each other in this course because, you know, each of them is to talk and they want not to appear on a lower level than other students, which makes them to make, I think, much greater effort. They also learn even if they decide not to go to mathematics. They learn something which many of them came to me to tell me how helpful it was to give talks.
It would be a difficult course to run if there was a really big class, because the way the course works is that every students give presentations throughout the year, and if there was too many students, you wouldn't have enough time for everyone to give lots of presentations. So in the way the course ran this year, the students were basically presenting about once a month.
So even if you aren't specifically very adept at giving talks to in public, you can still do this course because it's a very it's kind of a nurturing environment for that. Although you do have to put in some hard work to prepare your talks.
Most pleasant for me is to see that after 4 or maybe 5 first lectures given by students, because I would give negative marks if I ask what did the lecturer said and they cannot answer, and positive marks if they ask whatever connected with the subject. So, they somehow change their attitude and start really asking, which makes them much more brave, so to speak, and participation became very active. They were discussing it even after the lecture. This is the most effective form of learning.
But overall, it was a very positive experience for the course, so I think it would be good if there were more.